guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be installing a heatless curls wig. It came with some elastic band, a 3D lash, and also a silk bag, which I'll use for keeping the hair still in good shape, and some tan wig caps. Supernova was kind enough to send me this hair. It is a natural black body wave hair, has 5x5 lace closure with a density of 180%. The length is 12 inches, and full details with discounts will be linked in the description box. They got some Black Friday sales going on right now, so don't wait too long. Okay, alright, now let's get into the installation video. So as you just saw, the hair came in with a middle part, but we decided to go with the side part. And when I tried it without the plug-in yet, I was looking like a granny, which is okay. We're gonna fix that. So I went ahead to part my hair like the way I wanted it or where I wanted it, and then after I parted it, I decided to pluck it out, but I couldn't lay down, so I had to use some glue stick and then a little bit of heat on top of it just to kind of let it lie down, and then afterwards I decided to pluck it. Once I was done plugging, I decided to go ahead and just, flat iron the top part of it just a little bit, just to kind of make it even before I go ahead to curl it. Now let's get into curling of the hair. What I do first is I spray some solution on it, which is made up of setting spray and water, and then I just finger comb it, and afterwards I use some mousse on top of it, and then I comb through it, and the next thing I do is just wrap it around my Flexi rod, which I also learned a trick and I'll be showing you guys soon. The trick I learned is that when you bend it forward or like upwards, it does not stay, it kind of falls back down, but then when you bend it downwards, it stays in place, and I'll be showing you guys in a bit. So this is what I meant right here. This is me bending it upwards, and it definitely did not stay. I had to use a hair clipper just to keep it in place, but I'm going to show you guys in the next step right over here how you can let it stay in place without you having to use a clipper or it falling back down. And right now what I just used was some of the solution that I made and also a mousse, and basically these are the only two products I used in this whole process. So for pros and cons of this hair, one of the things I realized is that it has short strands in it, so if you're getting it, you just have to be aware of that. It does have some short strands in it. Aside that, it's very soft, and it was very easy to work with. I only used two products in it, as I said, and it didn't give any bad smell or anything like that, and the curls also stayed in place for a very long time. So this is what I meant by it not staying in place. You just saw it flip back, so to keep it in place is just by bending it downwards, and as you can see, it stays right in place. So I went ahead to do the same process all over the hair. I had 6 Flexi rods, and right now I have about 3 in it, so that's just what's gonna play for now. So back to the pros and cons of this hair. The hair definitely hold curls, because I used this hair for about 2 weeks and the curls was still pretty good, and I made sure I tried it out before coming out here to talk about it. If you get this hair and you're going in for a center part, it's already plucked for you, but I was not going in for a center part, so I had to pluck my own side part. And also the baby hairs were not pre-plucked, so if you want baby hairs you have to pluck it yourself and basically shape it to your face. But I was not going in for a baby hair look, so I didn't have to do all that either. But you can work with it though, because it's easy to work with. So one of the things I loved about this hair is the density. Oh my gosh, it was really full. Like, I loved it. It's not like one of those thin wigs that usually hair companies sell to us. This was full, and also the length was pretty true to its length. It wasn't like, you know, sometimes you kind of measure it and it's just like, I ordered for 14 inches but I'm having like a 10 inches wig. No, this was not it. This was really good. So the lace is not bleached, and in order to get the color as close to my skin color, I'm using my foundation just to cover up the lace. So I prepped this hair the night before. It was left overnight for the curls to really pop out, and as I said earlier, it was just 2 products that I used in achieving the curls. And of course right now I'm just laying the wig on my head and it's nothing really like extra, but I was pretty amazed with how bouncy the curl looked and how curled it was. And after I took the curls out, I just combed it out, and basically that was it, and I love the results. I want to say once again a very big thank you to Supernova for sending me this hair, because I like it and I actually love it, and it was very easy to work with. But if you've made it this far to this video, I want you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right down below, because we got a lot of content coming out for you, which I'm pretty sure you will love. I'm into faith content, and I think that's going to be my next video. And I'm into faith content and hair videos, and also basically everything about my life that I want to share with you guys, and vlogs. And also I'll be bringing pranks in here and there once in a while. But if you're interested in these things, I will encourage you to follow me. If not to, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you, and we'll see you guys in my next video. But y'all can't tell me I'm not looking bomb over here, okay? The hair looks good, and this is my first time trying that. I think I did a pretty good job. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.
They told you that you couldn't do it 'cause you're washed up. Ain't like them bad girls said you should get your sauce up.